To start a limited liability company, LLC, in North Carolina, several steps must be taken. The process begins with choosing a unique name for the business, which must be distinguishable from other registered business entity names in the state. The name must end with Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations. The availability of the desired name can be checked on the North Carolina official state website. If the preferred name is already in use, a DBA, doing business as, registration can be filed, allowing the business to operate under a different name. The next step is to appoint a registered agent, who will handle government tax and legal correspondence on behalf of the LLC. While it is possible to serve as one's own registered agent, this is not recommended due to the complexity of the legal documents and requirements involved. Many businesses choose to use a registered agent service to handle these tasks. With a registered agent in place, the next step is to file articles of organization, which include basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, and purpose. This can be done by searching for the necessary forms on the North Carolina official website and paying the state filing fee of $125. Following the filing of the articles of organization, an operating agreement should be created. This contract outlines how the business will be run, including the distribution of profits and the authority of members to bind the LLC to legal contracts. A free, customizable operating agreement template can be obtained by answering questions about the LLC, such as its name, industry, and state. The next step is to obtain any necessary permits and licenses for the LLC, which will depend on the specific industry and activities of the business. Researching the required permits and licenses can be done by searching online for the necessary information. Once the necessary permits and licenses have been obtained, the LLC must comply with tax requirements, including filing annual reports and keeping accurate records. It is also recommended to open a business bank account to keep personal and business assets separate. If the LLC plans to hire employees or file certain tax forms, an employer identification number, EIN, will be required. This can be applied for on the IRS website. While it is possible to complete these steps on one's own, using a formation service can save time and ensure that everything is done correctly. These services can assist with every step of the process, from filing articles of organization to obtaining an EIN and creating an operating agreement. They can also provide additional services, such as bookkeeping software and initial phone consultations with specialists. Using a formation service can provide peace of mind and ensure that the LLC is set up correctly, which can be worth the cost by following these steps. It is possible to start an LLC in North Carolina and begin operating a successful business.